Hey everyone, this is Mohammed from King Wireless and Repair. So today's video we are working on a key. This is the key. So this is the key for Jeep Cherokee 2020 model. So the customer bring it here because they said it's not working. So they were trying to fix it by self. So that's why they bring it like this. So we are gonna work on this today and see if we can able to fix it. I'm sure we can able to do it. So let's test it out first and see what's going on, and then we're gonna fix it. So we'll go under the microscope first. So first thing, I'm gonna check out for any broken component. So make sure, take a closer look. Oh, I can see one capacitor. It looks not right to me. So this capacitor right here, let me point it out. Okay, this is this one. You can see it got loose, but it's still attached, so the pad is just lifting up. So we're gonna make sure the other capacitors are good. Looks good, looks good. So those looks good to me. Oh, look at this. This chip is came off. So none of point attached. Let's take a look other side. Oh, this side completely off. And also one of the pad is lift up. So we have to fix the capacitor. We have to make a new pad and then put it back together, this chip. Let's see other things. Everything looks fine to me beside those things. So now we are going to fix this capacitor and also this chip. We're gonna take out this chip first, reflow all the points, and then we're gonna make a new pad, and then we're gonna make a jumper and put it back together. So let's start it. There you go. I just took out the chip. You can see there's no pad right here. So this one is damaged, and this pad coming from the top resistor. This one, yes, it's coming from here. So we're gonna make a new pad, then we're gonna make a jumper after that. As you can see, the pad is still attached on the chip. So let's reflow the points first, and then we're gonna put it chip again. Add some flux. So we're gonna reflow and take a wick and take out all extra solder from it. Just one by one, reflow all the points. There you go. So now the other side. There you go. So it's done. So now we're gonna take out all the extra solder from it. So we're gonna use the wick. There you go. So we're gonna take out all the extra. So the wick make your work easier, a lot easier. When the points are clean, so it's a lot easier to put the new chip on it very easily. There you go. So we're gonna do the same thing to the chip. We're gonna reflow all the points. The cleaning is the must part. So whenever you do work on anything, after that you have to clean up. So clean up all the area. There you go. Looks nice. Now we're gonna reflow all the points. Add some flux on it. So the flux made your work easier. So once you put the flux on any points, it's make easier to work on it. You see how easily you can reflow the points. Other side. As you can see, the pad is still attached to that point. So before we lift up that pad, so we're gonna make sure the side of the chip. So as you can see, this dot, so this dot will be go to that side on the pad side. So always remember the point, the dot of the chip, where it's gonna go. So now we're gonna take out the pad from the chip, and then we're gonna make a new pad on board. Hey guys, just came off. So this pad should be good. So we can reuse this pad, but we have to make a jumper to make sure this pad get current. So let's add some soldering mask. So I'm just adding a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna put pad on it, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more, and then it should be good. So let's put the pad on. Oh, here you go. So just press it a little bit, and then we're gonna add a little bit more mask on top, so that way it can attach to the board. Then we will scratch off the point and make a connection. Here you go, it's good. So now we're gonna put the UV light with the hot air. So that's the quickest way to dry it out. As you can see, it's just dried. So we're gonna scratch off point, because just scratch off from the top and the excess, a little bit from extra. Let's clean up a little bit and see. It was already dried. So we're gonna scratch off a little bit more from the corner. There you go. Clean up the chip a little bit, and then we're gonna put it on. So when you clean all the points, it's make easier to attach. Here you go. So we're gonna put the solder on it, and then ready to go. Little bit flux. Alright, let's put the chip on it and then resolder the points. There you go. Make sure the side is same. So you can attach just a little bit, 2-3 points. one side and then the other side. There you go. There you go. So add solder now on it. Let's put some solder. Here you go. So now just press it a little bit down and then here you go. It's attached. So now we're gonna put the solder on all over all the points. Here you go. Oh, let's scratch out a little bit from top. Let's get melt. Add some solder right here also. Here you go. It looks good to me now. So now we're gonna jumper the point and give the current to that point. So little bit solder right here, and so now we're gonna make a jumper with the jumpering wire. Little flux. There you go. One side is done. Attached to this resistor. There you go. Just little bit. Just little bit. There you go. There you go. Is attached. So now we're gonna remove the jumpering wire slowly. There you go. So now we're gonna clean up the board and it's ready to go. Just make sure all the points get current. There you go. This point. Okay, this one also got the point. This one also got the current. So everything looks good to me. Now check the other side also. Let's test it out the other side. Okay, so all the points get the current. This looks good to me. Clean up. Gonna clean up the whole area and remove all the flux from it. There you go. It's clean now. Make sure don't damage the jumper. It looks clean. It looks solid. As you can see, all the points are solid and jumper is solid also. There you go. This looks good to me. Just make sure the board is good. The capacitors are good. Both capacitors are good now. And we're gonna install the battery and ready for test. So we're gonna test it out and make sure the key is working fine now. This is done. Everything is working fine. I already tested out. So if you guys have any questions, just leave us in comment box, or you can call us anytime. If you need any repair, you can visit our store anytime, or you can mail in your devices at our store. So we will fix it out for you and send it back to you guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Thank you so much. See you in next video.